Hello, I'm John Leach from Brightbox. I'm going to give you a run through of our new cloud platform. I've already got the CLI tool installed, which is going to interact with our API to create servers. First thing I need to do is configure it. So I'm going to add a new client. That's the client ID. Always begins with CLI, and that's the client secret. And that's all I need now to get going. First of all, I'm going to choose a server type. So we've got a few different server types there with the different specifications of RAM and disk. I'm going to create a mini there. You can see the handle. I can use that in this case. Handle of mini. I'm going to look at the zones. I've got two zones on this account, A and B. They're two different data centers with separate power and network access. Now I want to select an image. And we've got all the Brightbox official images are available currently, so as you can see, Ubuntu, Fedora and CentOS. There's more to come, and users can upload their own or create them from snapshots and share them with others. So I'm going to create a new server here called first server. I'm going to put it in the first zone. I'm going to make it of type mini. I'm going to make it a Lucid, an Ubuntu Lucid server. And I'll create a second server in zone B. Again a mini, and again a Lucid server. Oh, can't type. Excuse my shoddy typing. Okay, so there should be two servers in creating, as you can see in Zone A and Zone B. While that's building, I'll show you my user that I've already set up, which I'm using to interact here. I've added my SSH key to this user, and that will be used when building those machines to install my SSH key so I can log straight in. Obviously I need to know which user account to log in as, so the image should have that information. So yeah, this is the Lucid image. The description there, the creators said, yeah, is a login using the Ubuntu account. So let's see if one of these is built yet. There we are. I'm going to log in. Oh, I can't log in because it's got a 10 address, an internal address that's non-routable to the internet, and the DNS confirms that. So what I want to do here is create a cloud IP, which is an internet IP address that's routable over the internet. I'm going to map that onto that server that's become active. And now I should be able to SSH into that IP address. There we are, 0 minutes. Confirm that it works. Let's install Emacs. Everyone's doing their development on the cloud nowadays, aren't they? Okay, 24 seconds. Cool. Okay, the other server should have come up by now. Yeah. Okay, so we've got two servers, one in each zone. One of them with a cloud IP mapped to it. What I'm going to do is move that cloud IP from one server to the other. So, say we've had a zone failure and the server's died, you can move that IP address over to your other server and avoid extended downtime. I want to get the ID of that server, which is the ID of that cloud IP. I'll map that onto here now. -U just means it will unmap it first. Okay, that's remapped. I'll have to delete the fingerprint so SSH doesn't complain. And we're into the other box now. Okay, so now we're done with those machines. We can destroy them both. Cloud IP will get unmapped, the two servers will get shut down and destroyed and the data wiped to zero, so it's securely deleted. And that concludes this initial screencast. If you want any more information, go to beta.brightbox.com.